Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Welcome to Everything Islamic channel. Today is the 9th of Muharram, the Shabi Asur. So let's learn something about Imam Hussein alayhi salam. Who was Imam Hussein and who was his father and mother, about him. So Imam Hussein alayhi salam, his father name was Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib. Mother name was Fatimatul Zahra alayhi salam, who was the daughter of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Wiladat, Imam Hussein was born on 3rd of Shaban 4 AH. Place of birth was Medina. And martyrdom on 10th of Muharram in Karbala 61 AH. That was the day of Ashura. Now, Imam Hussein is our third Imam, a master of all the martyrs. Imam Hussein alayhi salam was the second son of Imam Ali alayhi salam and Bibi Fatimatul Zahra alayhi salam, and the grandson of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam. When Imam was born, Allah ordered Angel Jibreel to go and congratulate the Holy Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Prophet sallallahu alayhi wasallam loved him very much. The first 7 years of his life, he was under the guidance of his grandfather, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. When Imam was born, Allah ordered Angel Jibreel to go and congratulate the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. At the time of Imam Hassan's death, he was appointed by his brother Imam Hassan alayhi salam as his trustee and transferred the duty of imamat to him. Prophet ﷺ used to say, Hussein is from me and I am from Hussein. Hassan and Hussein are the leaders of the youth of paradise. Imam Hussein possessed many qualities. He had firm determination and a strong will, which he inherited from his grandfather. He sacrificed his family and himself for the sake of Islam in the event of Karbala. He is the master of paradise. Until today, he is remembered for his great sacrifice on the day of Ashur. His shrine of Imam Hussein alayhi salam is in Karbala. So, 10th of Muharram is the day of Ashur. सूर्य का सूरज कह देगा, खामोश किनारा कह देगा, जो बात के असगर कह न सके, दरिया का किनारा कह देगा। किस तरह जवानी खाक हुई, लैला का कलेजा कह देगा, बहते हुए आंसू कह देंगे, उतरा हुआ चेहरा कह देगा। अहमद की नवासी का आलम, उठता हुआ पर्दा कह देगा, किस तरह छिनी सर से चादर, जलता हुआ खेमा कह देगा। किस तरह गए असगर रन में, आबाद हुई क्यों कर तुरबत, बानों की उदासी कह देगी, उजड़ा हुआ झूला कह देगा। अकबर की अजल आई पहले, बिरछी का फल निकला पहले, शब्बीर की किस्मत कह न सकी, अकबर का कलेजा कह देगा। उम्मत के लिए असगर आए, पानी न पिला प्यासे ही रहे, चुप होगी अगर नन्ही सी लहद, उजड़ा हुआ झूला कह देगा। हर गाम से ठोकर खा खा कर, जब बाप की पिसर को ढूंढेगा, किस सिमत है अकबर की मैयत, उलझा हुआ रास्ता कह देगा। शादी से गरज शादी कब थी, ये दर से अलम था दुनिया को, कुछ देर का दूल्हा कह देगा, उजड़ा हुआ सहरा कह देगा। जो बात के असगर कह न सके, बहता हुआ दरिया कह देगा। आशूर का सूरज